Imagine you invest $500 in a company today, and in 5 years, that investment grow to $5,000. Sounds too good to be true. Well, that's exactly what happened to early investors in companies like NVIDIA thanks to the rise of artificial intelligence. AI is changing the world, and it's creating massive opportunities for investors like you. But here's the problem. Most beginners have no idea where to start. Don't worry, in this video, they'll show you exactly how to invest in AI stocks. Even if you're starting with just $100, let's get started. What are AI stocks? First, let's break it down. What are AI stocks? Simply put, these are shares of companies that are leading the artificial intelligence revolution. Think of tech giants like NVIDIA, which makes the chips powering AI, or Microsoft, which is integrating AI into its cloud services. There are also smaller, specialized companies like C3 AI and Palantir, which focus solely on AI solutions, whether it's self-driving cars, smart assistants, or even healthcare innovations. These companies are at the forefront of the AI boom, and by investing in them, you're betting on the future of technology. Why invest in AI stocks? Now you might be wondering, why should I invest in AI stocks? Here's the deal. AI isn't just a trend, it's a $15 trillion opportunity by 2030. Companies using AI are growing faster, becoming more efficient, and creating entirely new markets. For example, NVIDIA's stock has skyrocketed over 1,000 in the last 5 years because of its AI-powered chips. And this is just the beginning. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming every industry. By investing in AI stocks, you're not just following a trend, you're positioning yourself to benefit from one of the biggest technological shifts of our lifetime. How to choose the right AI stocks? Alright, let's get practical. How do you choose the right AI stocks? Here are 3 key steps. Look for strong financials. Focus on companies with solid revenue growth and profitability. For example, NVIDIA and Microsoft are both profitable and growing fast. Check for AI leadership. Invest in companies that are leaders in AI innovation. NVIDIA dominates AI chips, while Microsoft is a leader in AI-powered cloud services. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one stock. Instead, consider AI-focused ETFs like ARK Autonomous Technology Robotics ARKQ or Global X Robotics. Artificial Intelligence ETF BOTZ. These ETFs spread your investment across multiple AI companies, reducing your risk. How to buy AI stocks? Now that you know which AI stocks to pick, how do you actually buy them? It's easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open a brokerage account. Use beginner-friendly platforms like Robinhood, eToro or Fidelity. Research your stocks. Use free tools like Yahoo Finance or Morningstar to analyze the companies you're interested in. Place your order. Decide how much you want to invest. Even $100 is enough to start, and place your order. Monitor your investment. Keep an eye on your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't panic if the market fluctuates. Risks of investing in AI stocks. Before you start investing, it's important to understand the risks. AI stocks can be volatile, meaning their prices can swing dramatically in a short period. Also, not all AI companies will succeed. Some may fail to deliver on their promises. That's why diversification is key. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. And always do your own research before making any decisions, and that's it. You now know how to invest in AI stocks as a beginner. Remember, the key is to start small. Stay informed and think long-term. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing tips. Also, let me know in the comments what's the first AI stock you're planning to invest in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.